Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. I just thought I'd show you something. A lot of people kind of forgot about the library these days, and I'm here at the library. And if you're on a budget and you're looking for ways to learn more about gardening, just homesteading in general, survival stuff, there's all kinds of books out there, and people are recommending books online, and they're doing all this stuff, they're selling all this stuff. And sometimes you just can't afford it. And I'm here to show you at the library, you can get a lot of stuff done. You can get a library card for free. You can have a book for 3 weeks. You can renew it if you need to. Right now in front of me, hold on. We are looking at hooking and fishing. You know, if you want to learn how to fish, fishing for dummies, you know, different things like that. I want to learn how to fish. You want to learn about animals on the farm. There's tons of books on animals. Cooking, tons of books on cooking and gardening, succulents and different kinds of gardening. You know, plants and styles and just all kinds of different kind of gardening, organic gardening. It's all right here. Grow this, you know, kitchen gardening. The kitchen garden, you know, growing vegetables. Growing bulbs, you know, all kinds of different stuff here. American farming. Farming in general, you know, just all kinds of really neat, you know, different farm tractors if you want to learn about tractors. Just all kinds of stuff here. And there's tons of books on animal husbandry as well. Raising livestock. All about horses. Here's more about gardening. Forgetting skills, self-sufficiency. We'll pick that one up today. You know. How to grow wine. How to cook certain things. Self-reliance. Living off grid. You know, and on and on. So anyways, guys, So just to give you some ideas, if you don't feel like you can buy somebody's book or you can do this or do that, you can also order books online from the libraries nowadays. If you have a Kindle, you can get free books on your Kindle, you know, from the library. There's all kinds of ways to save money while you're learning about stuff for your homestead. And just, you might also find some good books too, just some good sound books that you want to learn something about. You know, there's books about music, there's books about everything. And then there's just a good old fun book, you know, that you want to, for no reason, just have fun with. So anyways, you guys have a great day. I'm chasing my dreams. Go chase yours, and God bless. Bye.